This is Malcolm. He got involved with crypto last year and loves the technology, but isn't so keen on the volatility and bear markets. Indeed, with level of taxation increases, hyperinflation hits many countries, bear market, etc., Malcolm is right to be worried, but that was before he discovered OSB. To understand OSB, we have to go back in Mesopotamia where the first debt record found was from nearly 6000 BC. Malcolm, here's what you have to know about OSB. OSB is a stable currency which includes payment solution, including debit and credit card, savings, and lending capabilities. Great way for you to get the stability you want from your crypto. Generate a slice of interest from your investment. But stop, what about securities? Don't worry, Malcolm. OSB are collateralized by a minimum of 125% of the value of the debt. Our partnership PwC is checking loan agreement and cash flow monthly. Be like Malcolm. Get OSB.